I am serious, yeah? I am serious. Okay? I'm not joking. I am really not joking. Thank you, Adele and her team, for showing us a simple demonstration on the Kote K233 emulsion primer. So, just looking at this small little content or product, it's able to do such a miracle finishes and result. So basically, Kote 233 is a type of primer, because when it comes to waterproofing, serving the primer coat is very important. So when primer coat of KK233 mixed with water, it allows a better or enhanced emulsion that provides a stronger gripping, right? Especially before any one of us do the waterproofing projects, it's important to clean up the surfaces, or without cleaning, just use this product mixed with water and apply. It will create a very strong adhesiveness, so that you can apply another layers of waterproofing later. So just now we have seen the demonstration. So we look at the part 1, look at this one. So using the primer, enhanced primer KK233 is able to bind or bond two substrate together, and this one we are using is a timber. So without hesitation, Mr. Ang is going to show you. I am serious, yeah? I am serious. Okay? I'm not joking. I am really not joking. Maybe Fendi, pinjam tangan sekejap. Use your hand. Dua tangan, your one side. Show the camera to show that kita tak tipu, ya. Make sure you get this shot, ya. Fendi, tarik lah. Tarik.
Don't hit on me.
Whoa. Alright. I watched the entire demo. They only use this emulsion primer. No joke. And I'm not lying. Adele, this is quite amazing so far I've seen, which is such a simple product. Alright, the next we are going to check it out. If you can see this slowly, I'm going to tilt the paper, something like the paper box. This is entirely made of newspaper. So it's not hardened outside. It's still like you can feel the newspaper. I can still fold it and open up the thing. It's binded using the KK233 emulsion primer, and there's water inside. Alright, so to prove you that I'm not joking, okay, Adele, stay with me. We're gonna do something even more crazy.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So, are you ready to take this shot? Isn't you ready? Alright, let's go. It's water, yeah? I'm not lying to you. There's a content of water inside this paper box, and we pour it out. So no joke. So we're gonna see the third one. Alright? So I show you again, on the outside, the outer side of the paper box is actually not coated with the emulsion primer. And if we stick it with water, it's wet. Alright? I can show you, but not lying to you, that we can actually scrape off this part. This is purely used newspaper. Alright? Interesting, amazing. Let's go and see the third result. Okay, here we have, look at this one. This is a stainless steel plate. Stainless steel plate are actually very smooth. It's a metal substrate, and we are trying to apply by using, Adele, can you tell me, like just now, the emulsion, what is the ratio between the emulsion primer and also the cement that we were using?
We just simply mix up the KK233 primer with water in a ratio of 3:1. That means 3
parts of water or 3 parts of emulsion?
3 parts of KK233.
3 parts of
yeah.
KK233 and 1 part of cement?
No, water.
Water.
Because we have to do the mixture first, the what we call ubat. Yeah, ubat first. Then only can mix with the cement. Okay,
for my information just now, actually KK233 has a solid content of 40%. So 40% is very, I would say that it's very condensed. So when you apply that time, you can actually pour it out, mix with water and dilute it, and you still get the enhance and I would say the very good effect that you'll be getting. So it's worth it, even though it's small, but it's very effective. Alright, on this part, what I'm trying to show is that with a mixing ratio of, as explained by Adele just now, it's still able to bind, or I would say that it's still able to bond on this piece of metal. And this is nothing, because I'm more interested in this. This is a see-through glass. Okay guys, you can see me, it's a see-through glass. Okay, glass is made of silica. Alright, everyone knows it. And silica, all this glass is supposed to have a very clean and smooth. It's supposed to be stainless. Basically any dirts, it can't stick, because it's so smooth that when you just splash it with water, it will auto self-cleaning. But with our products, or Kote's KK233 products, we are making a lot of difference. Look at this one. So the cement, okay, just now I'm sure that the demo, maybe you will be suspecting that they are not using hard enough and stuff like that. So again, Mr. Ang, you know, I try to prove, you know, we make some space here. Alright, so I have to be careful because this thing is very sharp. Okay, I'm not breaking the glass yet, but I can scrape the surface of the emulsion and cement emulsion, but it is not easy. Okay, it's a little bit of peeling, but it's nothing significant. Look at the corner here. I better be careful. Ada, boleh tolong ah? Can you help me? Okay, you just hold this part. Careful, this part. Sorry, yeah. I try because I don't want. I'm going to use both hands. Careful, yeah. Oops. Guys, I try my best. Seriously, I already did my best, and look at the level of adhesiveness. This is super good. This is super good. Basically, all these products, KK primer, enhanced emulsion primer. It's a primer, so it's a basic. We will say that it's a simply, or to make it easier to mention, it's a simple product. Okay, to use, and you can use it, add it with water, add it with cement to provide a waterproofing primer as well. So that is very interesting. Adele, you know what I'm gonna say? This is simply a good product, but to many audience that is watching our video, probably they are not very familiar about this K233 and how to apply it. Okay, let me give you a very good example. Now, have you ever imagined that you have leaked toilet, alright? Where you know you are staying on the ground floor, the first floor, just underneath is a bathroom, and then the water leaking or seeping, and then you just do not know how to detect the leakages and how to solve it. And do you ever experience your balcony? Alright, that's a leaking balcony, there's a hairline cracks and whatsoever which cause the water to clog up, or even you have wet surfaces underneath your balcony. So you have that problem, right? So now this product is able to solve all this. Why? As you can see just now, all our experiments, okay, revolve around the basic properties of a good waterproofing product, which is the primer, right? It has good adhesiveness or bonding, and then when it mix with cement will harden. So when this solid content mixed with water and mixed with cement, it will become hardened. So how it works is that, and also this, not forgetting this smashed litter paper box. So how it works is that this will provide a very good bonding agent when you mix with the cement, and it's able to seal off, basically seal off all the hairline cracks and all the small little porous surface and little holes, damages or cracks, you know. So you're able to fill it up, provide us a solid foundation for another level of waterproofing. So I believe that Adele also have a lot of things to share on the next level of waterproofing, because I saw from your catalog there are plenty of products and series that Honda still offer. So basically, this is a very good show. I have never smashed my table or wet my table in such a way, and we are proud to do it. And Adele, pass to you. You have anything to say to our audience on your product?
No. Because product show everything. I don't need to say anything.
I love it. A good product speaks for itself, and that's what Adele or Hornsteel is trying to bring it to our fellow audience. So it's good. I'm very happy. I hope that Adele enjoy talking and coming to our show as well. And today we have we have a surprise for you. So Adele, we have something for you. It's an ATKC t-shirt, a surprise for all our hosts. They come and share the knowledge to our audience and that come to our ATKC Home Improvement episode. So Adele, thumbs up. Cheers! And tell the audience, bye-bye. We'll see you in the next video.